Hello, people. Gonna take a little bit of time before anybody comes in, but let's see what's cracking. We're gonna go to TradingView first of all. Let's see what has happened since this morning. So silver up 1% still from yesterday. Not looking at trading that. Holy moly. I reckon maybe on a 1 minute, is there anything? Retracement to there, maybe. Probably quite dangerous. Probably don't want to take anything like that. EU. If we could get... I'm just running through a couple of ideas, guys, okay? It's not going to be too in depth. I'm just thinking, you know, looking at stuff. It's probably not going to happen. Gold. Interesting that it hasn't broken down yet. So in this area of demand, we've got these lows here. Wouldn't be shorting that. And we're in a range. No way am I doing anything in this. Not yet anyway. Then we're going to have to watch and sit on gold. USD pushing up. Lovely. Love to see it. These break and retests are perfect. Super nice. That's not as nice, if I'm honest. But this is really nice. You know, break, retest, continuation, possibly. The only thing is here, that I wouldn't call that a pivot. So, because that's not a pivot, it's most likely to get targeted. I don't claim that as a pivot. It could get targeted. We could find ourselves into something like that. So a deeper pullback into this level. Back into the area of demand. Then the push up. I love this music. What banging music. So the open's coming out soon. We're going to have some good, hopefully some good volatility. I was long listed this morning. This was the trade that we were in this morning. See if anything else interesting. Pound is just dying. Okay, so the idea is we are looking for continued longs on the dollar, or any type of manipulation, trap, anything like this. Gold is a no-go because we're stuck in a range. Ideally, I'd like to buy gold underneath this level. Under that level would be a nice place to buy gold. What would be really good is if we come down, wick, come back in, and then take it to come back in to take that level. That would be the nice play. That'd be a really nice play that I'd looking for. You know, a break, retest, continuation in that area would be nice, or on this level would be really nice. For the downside, well, if we were going to come further to the downside, then the next level will be in this area of demand. So right here, you've got this area of demand. So realistically, if it's coming into that, then you can look for the next area long. Really, you want to be long. You don't really want to be getting short because you don't know where it's going to go long. I think at the moment we're at all-time highs. We're at all-time highs. So we've got the top of this range, this level actually needs to be big red, because as soon as it comes down to that level, I want to be longing the absolute crap out of it. Let me put that down. Let me bring on the one and only in 2 seconds. Once he tells me he's ready, I'll bring him on. All right. It's the boy. It's the man. How are we doing?
Doing good, bro. How are you doing?
Long time, man.
Did you take the day off yesterday, I assume?
What do you think?
I'd hope so, because it was terrible.
I was terrible yesterday. I didn't take
I
the day.
tried. I hopped on and I was like, "Oh, this is like
It was whack. It was super whack, and I didn't need to trade yesterday. But yeah, we're not going to talk about it too much.
Dude, I'm so mad. I caught the cleanest shorts last night, right? Around like 2 or 3 hours into Sunday Open. And right before bed, I went into my office and I moved my stop loss into profit.
Okay.
I still made money, but I got taken out, and then it went. I think it dropped like 250 points overnight.
I will show you some of my biggest fumbles recently. Yeah, I fumbled big time here. I was long gold. It's funny because I was long gold around this area, and I had my original stop underneath this low, which, in fair enough, potentially I could have got taken out. But what did I do? I added more into this long, and then I pulled up my stop, and then it just took me out, and then just went.
Oh, God.
And it's a shame because the profit target on that would have netted around 25k.
Jeez.
So I was it kind of put me on tilt, actually.
Yeah.
It put me on tilt, man. I was trying to get that back. I was like, because in my head, for some reason, I made that money for some reason.
Yeah.
It was like I made that money, and then I was just chasing it. It's so bad. But I had a really, really nice trade this morning, which was this one here.
Nice.
USD is pushing. It was a lot stronger today. Well, a lot stronger. It was just retracing, but all the EMAs were over. It just looked super clean. Super, super, super clean. What are you looking at?
Watching the Nasdaq. I'm gonna wait though. I wanna, because we got PMI coming out like 30 minutes into open, so I'm just gonna wait for that to do its thing, and then I'm gonna look for an IV trade after the first hour starts.
Yeah, let's have a look at the Nas. That looks gross. Where were you shorting? Jeez. Oh, you must have been shorting around here, no?
Yeah, I can show you. It was right like here. Let me share my screen real quick.
Yeah, tell me when your screen's up.
Yeah, so it was around like right here. So this was like the nice entry right up here.
Oh, that looks super clean from your screen.
I entered about, let's see here, I think right here. And then I had originally up here, and then I moved my stop, and then I got hit like around like midnight, like around here. That's when it stopped me out. I think I moved it to like there or something, and then I got hit. But look at this, bro. It's a bummer. I was in with one mini on Nasdaq, so that would have made.
Wow. Yeah, don't do it to yourself.
Yeah, it would have made racks for sure.
Don't do it to yourself. I've been literally distraught.
Dude, I'm honestly so used to like doing dumbass shit like this. It's bad.
Yeah, man. What's up? What's up, Jitender? Yeah, man. Fumbled the bag quite a few times recently. I was also
of course on my practice account. I also entered, right?
And of course,
with like big size, and I was like, I'm gonna let this run overnight.
Yeah,
it's for like $3,000. I'm like, because I didn't touch it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh, what are we gonna do, huh? What are we gonna do?
I don't know why I didn't just leave it, bro. I was okay with losing too. I was risking like $100.
Look, I'm actually okay with losing. What I'm not okay with is losing, but for a silly reason, and then it going to my direction and to where my original take profit is. I.e., I've got my stop too close in a silly area, and that is just. That's what frustrates me, because if you're in a really, really, really good trade, but you fumble it because of your silly risk management, then you're, in my opinion, a bit of a fool. So,
right,
full hat on, but nah, we get it. We get it back.
It happens though. It was a good idea though. I'm glad
It really moves, huh? The Nas looks like it moved.
I know, like even just from last night when we opened to now, let's see how much we moved, because that's quite a bit.
What chart is that on? That's like a 30-second chart or something.
It's a 5-minute.
That's a 5-minute chart.
Yeah, we've already moved down 400 points overnight. Crazy. And about 1.7% off the low. That's crazy.
Yeah. Beautiful short.
How's gold doing? Is it still ripping?
Gold is currently in a bit of consolidation. What is what platform you're using for your trading?
I am on Alpha Futures right now. They use like the trading platform called Project X.
That's tips.
I actually really like it. They have super nice like risk settings to where you can like manually lock yourself out and stuff like that, so you can't trade it. So it's been nice. I've been switching between them and TopStep because they both use that platform and I really like it.
I think it is TopSteps.
You said what?
TopSteps. Yeah, I think TopStep own that platform. I think it's their platform, no?
I think either they do own it or they just have like a big deal with Project X or something.
Yeah, Project X is their platform. I know another firm closer to my heart that is about to come out with futures.
Oh yeah.
Got to deal with it.
Yeah, I really like it because it integrates with TradingView, so you have a lot of the same indicators and different tools and stuff. So
Yeah.
clean. I like it. And there's I haven't really noticed any like really bad slippage, or which is surprising because I know some people have gotten it, but these platforms are pretty forgiving with that shit, which is nice, but it rarely happens.
Okay, so yeah, I don't think we're going to be trading gold. Jatender, what are you looking at the moment?
What's that?
Jatender, the guy in one of our boys in the chat. Okay, let's have a look. I'm seeing the continuation on the dollar, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Euro looks like it wants to retrace, just not. Kind of looks like it wants to do, but I feel like it's a bit of a trap, to be honest, because it's still all of these EMAs are waved out. This is a break of structure again, a retest. I wouldn't be surprised if the continuation comes to the downside. Am I going to take that? I don't know. I think it's worth taking it, to be honest.
I'm tempted to try long on gold. There's a 80% chance we sweep True Day up at, let's see, 566, I believe. Let's see. 565.
So if I was a betting man, which I am, I would say we're going to go short from here.
On gold?
No, on USD, on EU.
Oh yeah.
What would be my risk on that? If I put 10 lots on, that's 1,500. Oh, clearly really bad at math, because it's not. Wow. Okay. Okay, that is the trade we're in. It's funny because we got the open coming out in 3 minutes. Probably positioned. Yeah, that's the trade.
Is there usually quite a bit of movement off open?
Yeah. Yeah. New York open, yeah.
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 I remember last time you took a pre-market trade.
How did that go last time?
Oh, okay.
I didn't go.
I thought it was the opposite direction.
Well, you know, I've got a 40% win rate, so it's fine. You know, it's obvious. I'm very profitable with a 40% win rate.
It's good.
If it goes to 30, though, I'm fucked.
That means you have a good RR.
Jatende's long euro. I don't know if it's RIP me or RIP you, Jatender. Just hopefully you got your stops in place. Get ready for battle. We got 1 minute to see who's going to come out the bigger man. Have you got your Instagram back yet?
No, but I made a new one.
No.
Yeah, they denied me, so.
No.
And I have a friend that can get it back. He actually knows somebody that works with Instagram. Guess how much, though, to get it back?
No.
$3K. That's the cheapest I can find. So, yeah.
Is it guaranteed, though?
Yeah, he'll get it back for sure. And then if he doesn't, he would refund me. But
don't know.
It's just like, oh man, is it worth it?
Trade. MNQ. Sell 50.
Let's have a look.
Big sellers coming in. How's your trade looking?
Okay, sellers. Okay, so that means stronger dollar.
It's gotta be, right?
Yeah. Unless, well, it's just the first, this could turn into a wick. Wow.
Trade. MNQ. Sell 50.
Okay. Push this thing lower, baby.
Okay, we're stuck on these EMAs.
This is sad because I could still be short right now.
Let's have a look. Would I long that? Potentially. See, I would try and long short the pound, but it's gone down a nearly, a percent and a half, nearly 1.5%. I'm not doing that. I'm not shorting that. Yeah. Look at that move down today. Crazy. I bet you everybody's long this though. Everybody's long, thinking it's going to come back. Is there any reason for it to come back? Oh, you use pushing. Go on, Jatenda. Go on. Let's have a look at what the Naz is doing. Not doing much, huh?
I'm looking at gold right now. I was tempted to take a long on it, but I don't know.
It's in a range. It's in a tight little range. I'd be careful.
I know, and we just broke all-time highs overnight, so I don't know if it really wants to go higher. It has an 80% chance to go up and take out True Day sometime before 11 a.m., but I don't know. It could be a 20% kind of day. Seems like we're pretty...
I know. Do you know what?
Pretty stuck.
Some of those like A setups that you just look at it and you're like, I don't know if you saw one of those streams. I was like, this is an A setup for me. Like, this is bread and butter. and I went in heavy, man. And it's obviously the day that trade, which normally is around about 80%,
Yeah.
it was just not. It was just not that.
I had that happen last week. I was in a perfect setup, and we wicked right off the 618 off the fib. It was looking great. It had like a 30% chance to fail, and it did. I was like, come on, dude.
That's the thing. It's like it doesn't matter what happens. The risk management just needs to be on point.
Yep.
It doesn't matter what it is, because otherwise you just end up getting smashed. Okay, so you're gonna have to add me up on your new Instagram. Oh, Jatenda.
Yeah, I'll have to do that right now.
Take me out.
Nasdaq's trying to pump up now.
Gonna take me out. Then again, if it fails and comes up under like that, I am definitely adding to shorts on a different account. At the moment, it doesn't look like it's doing that, and it looks like it wants to push up. Gold.
What's your Instagram handle? I keep seeing stupid Alex G pop up.
I know. I should have got a better SEO name, huh? Dude, it's only Alex.
Only Alex. Okay.
FX.
Page looks clean though, I will say.
Yeah, I'm gonna need your help with that. You're the whiz kid with socials, man. You gotta give me some advice.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
How do I grow it? Silly question. I'll just post more.
See,
Yeah.
difficult, but you have to do it every day.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, man. If you take a day off, they punish you, bro. It sucks.
serious. So annoying.
TikTok's even harder, man.
Well, that's how TGR. Was it TG? Yeah, TGR.
That's why he's so big. He freaking grinds, man. He posts like 10 times a day, and then he's got like a group of clippers that repost his shit like 50 times a day, you know?
No, he does it on WAP.
Yep. They pay good. If you clip for him, you can make money. It's crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy, man. But how does a guy make that much content, man?
I know. He's got to be burnt out at some point.
550.
It's like,
It's crazy.
should we see something? Should we watch some of his content? Let's bring up TGR. He is funny though, man.
Yeah, he is funny. He actually went to college from my hometown.
What's it, TGR Trades?
Yeah.
Oh, he went to your college?
Yeah, at the University of Utah. He definitely dropped out of college, but
Oh, mate, if you're making that kind of cash, wouldn't you?
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he came up on crypto, like, that was how he made his first big chunk of bread, and then he's like, I gotta figure out how to do this every day, so he taught himself how to day trade.
Fair. Drank
He's
this
really
much.
young, too, just crazy. He's like, I think he's only 23,
That's
22.
great. Yeah, we're gonna clip this ourselves as well. Closer. But it must be hard though, because you got such big people. Everybody's looking at you. Think about it. Everybody's looking at you, and everything that you do, every trade that you take, suddenly they're taking the same trades.
Yeah.
That's difficult. BGR.
I think that's why he stopped live trading, honestly.
God, what is all of this? This is not what I'm looking for. Got to be careful.
Oh no.
Because he says waste stuff. Do you reckon he stayed with all that?
So what?
I'm trying. Okay, yeah. I'm turning this off. You can't put him on screen, man. You can't put him on screen. Oh, yeah. I have to put a different screen on. Yeah, like his content. I reckon. What is it? That's my MT5. There you go. Okay, Chitenda. I am out of that trade. I got smashed in that. So let me turn that off. Not bad, not bad. What are you looking at, Skies? Anything come up?
Honestly, it's kind of trying to push up, but for me, I'm still pretty bearish, honestly. So I'm just gonna give it some time, wait for news to come out, because we still got news coming out in like 20 minutes. So.
Yeah, 2 minutes. We've got news coming out in 2 minutes. And we got more coming out in 17 minutes, but I don't think it's gonna do too much. Let's see what happens here. Pound got absolutely destroyed today. Destroyed. Gold is pushed up. Okay. Still stuck in this little bit of a range though. All right. 2 more minutes till news.
Did you come out to the US for any festivals last year?
No, I missed. I was supposed to go EDC.
Oh yeah.
I missed it.
Trade. MNQ. Sell 60.
David went to Elements.
Ooh, that one looked nice.
Trade. MNQ. Sell 51.
He went to Elements. I really want to go to Lost. What's it called? Lost Lands.
Mm-hmm. That's a nice one.
It's a lot of dubstep.
Yeah.
A lot.
Very big.
Like very dirty dubstep.
Mm-hmm.
I quite like it.
I like dubstep. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh mate, it's big in America.
Yeah, it is.
Huge in America. It's not that big in the UK anymore.
like Excision, man, his production, insane.
I like what's it, Subjonics, where
he did a 2-night show here out like by the lake. Oh man, it was so good. So much pyro and fireworks.
mad. I like Elenium. David, every time I talk about Elenium, he's like, oh, what are you talking about Elenium for?
Nah, you have to see them live.
Oh, mate. My first ever EDC, I saw Elenium and I'm out. I swear I wanted to cry and headbang at the same time.
Yeah, me too. Same thing.
It was
the fireworks show was crazy.
It's also the mix of like hard, heavy dubstep and then like relax, and then like it's crazy.
Yeah, that's
crazy.
I don't know how you couldn't like it. I don't know. It's so good.
I'm gonna clip this and send it to David. But David is a music.
Yeah, house head.
He's a full-on music snob, man.
Yeah.
Why? What about you? What did you go for?
You said what?
What did you go to this year or last year?
Actually, I saw Elenium here. In August
in Utah.
They have a festival called DOS Energy, and it's a lot of fun. It's outdoor festival with it's like 3 or 4 stages.
Yeah,
a lot of fun. They had Elenium there. I forget who was on lineup. There's some good dubstep. Like they had like Alley Cat, Level Up, Barely Alive. That's some cool people.
I like a lot of techno these days. To be fair,
me too.
I like a lot of
I like some drum and bass too. There's this guy named Reaper. He was really good.
Have you heard? Crank That.
Yeah, he's good. I actually got.
He's coming up. He came up big time.
I know. I got to see him like backstage, like on the stage with my friend who works with like one of the companies that like puts on some of the shows. And so I got to be on the stage while he was ripping like the 360 set. It was so sick. His energy, man. He just gets so into it. It's so fun.
You can clearly tell like he's playing the music and he loves it at the same time. Like he's acting he's like, this is sick. You can say like you can see it, like he's enjoying what he's doing. 100%, man. Oh mate, I miss going for a good rave, to be fair.
I know. I haven't gone to like any crazy ones like out of state, but just the ones that are local. Like we have a really good one coming up for Halloween, and they always do it like so. It's indoor because it starts getting cold here around Halloween time, and instead of blowing all their budget on like the stage design and like the fireworks and pyro, they just spend all their money on the lineup. So the lineup for the Halloween one is like straight dubstep, like just bass heavy, like it's got Excision, Zed's Dead, Black Tiger Sex Machine. Yeah, it's got a lot of people on it. They're pretty
I like a little bit of Grizz, man.
Dude, he's on my bucket list. I want to see him so bad.
Yeah.
He went on that hiatus for a while and didn't do any shows, but I think he's back now.
There's also like a more dance type of Sony Fodera, I think his name is.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, heard of him. He's really good. He's an English guy.
Is he?
I saw his set at EDC, the last one. It was so good. Who else? I haven't. Do you know my first EDC? I saw Zoo. I haven't seen him do any other.
Zoo came out here. He comes out here quite a bit to Utah to do. He'll do shows like in the city, like by the buildings and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Oh man, America's got it, huh?
Tons of shows, man. I'll send you a screenshot of this Halloween one. You can see who's on there. They've got some pretty good people on there for mostly dubstep, but
You sending it on Instagram?
I'll send it on WhatsApp. They call it Get Freaky. They have like a couple different ones. They do like Get Freaky, and then they have Get Lucky and like March. That one's more like house music mostly, and then they do Get Funky, and that one's more like techno.
Wow, they've got Headaches. That's like a proper English drum and bass.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I've heard that name before. I'll have to check them out.
Yeah, big name in the UK scene.
Nice.
Huge name in the UK scene. Dr. P having a Flux Pavilion back-to-back Dr. P. That's old school, man.
Old school. Very.
That's sick. That's sick.
I know. I haven't seen them either.
Oh, mate, that is sick. That looks like a really cool lineup.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that looks like a cool lineup.
I'm excited to see Cappuccino. He's pretty small, but he's so good. I think he's from like Colorado or something, but he does really good mixes on SoundCloud. He's really good.
You never know who you find as well, because John Summit, like 3 years ago, was like unknown or something. No, probably a bit more than 3 years ago, around COVID time.
Yeah.
And then look at him now. He's like one of the biggest DJs.
Like mainstream. Yeah.
And his music is good. Like, it's proper good.
Mm-hmm. Did you see when he did a back-to-back with Subtronics at EDC?
Mm-hmm.
That was nice.
Oh man, you're making me get like a little bit FOMO, man. I'm starting to like, when's the next festival? Where's the next festival, man?
Oh, I know. That's why I always have to have something planned out. Otherwise, I'm just itching for one. Because if I have something planned out, then I'm not buying tickets to everything. You know?
Oh, it gets expensive as well, to be fair.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wow, look at that. Look at the Nasdaq go, huh?
Dude, I was tempted to go long too, but I didn't want to trade before news. I didn't think it wanted to break the 2300s, and it didn't. Definitely rejected.
There's quite a lot of capitulation at the lows as well. Look at the volume at the top.
Yep.
There's probably a good indication. It's difficult though, man. When something's gone down so much, it's like natural for you to be a bit like,
Yeah, this could also just be a retrace too.
Yeah.
Almost back up to VWAP.
Yeah. There's a whole lot of nothing right now. Gold has come back into its range.
Did it?
Yeah. Could be just like a retest. It doesn't knock it up. Not sure.
There's also a lot of low volume up here in like the 23,300s, like 23,350. So I could see it coming all the way up to like this area to fill up that volume and then maybe go lower. But we'll see. See if it reacts at like this. That lines up with the 618. So if we get a reaction there, I might try a short, but we'll see.
The way that gold is moving though now, it looks like I wouldn't be surprised. Let's have a look at gold right now. It's like, do I want to belong in this right now? Itchy fingers. All-time highs.
So for your time zone, what time is it for you when you trade New York? Like dinner?
4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's not bad.
2-6. Some kids stole some sweets here. Asked if he can have some. Bloody hell, he took like 10. give kids a little bit, man. They take the whole thing. No more sweets back in the office anymore. Okay, gold push in. God, I love the hesitation. Nice little bit of hesitation there, Alex. Well done, mate.
Oh man, I knew those longs would have came in.
Okay, so we've got 3 more minutes to see what other news comes in. What would be the signs to have taken that? Been a hard one to take. How's your mentor getting on? Is he still like in a drawdown?
Doing a lot better, actually. He caught the same trade as me last night, except he didn't move his stop loss.
No, really?
I think he got like 1,500.
Savage, man.
Yeah. It's nice knowing that we had the same idea, but I'm just mad I didn't execute properly.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I'm gonna just stick with what the market's telling me right now and look for longs. So if we get a reaction down at like the 0.5 or maybe the 618, like the 40s to 70s, I might try a long on NAS.
As they say, trade what you see and not what you think.
Exactly.
Okay, we've got 1 more minute. I want to see what's going to happen with the news. I don't think it's going to do too much. Euro dollar still struggling to take out that high. Very close to doing that. CHF coming back, taking that low right there. It's done a retest. Normally there'd be a nice play back down to this EMA, down to that 200 EMA, but I'm not willing to take a trade like that right now. Got 30 seconds, 1 second. Yeah, nothing by the looks of it. They might just come out. Soft. Okay, there you go. Oh, look at euro dollar.
Nasdaq's ripping.
Yeah, there you go.
Same with ES. ES is looking very bullish.
Yeah, gold pushing now.
Might not give me an entry though. That's a bummer.
Wonder what the pound is doing. I bet the pound is flying. Yeah. Wouldn't be surprised if it retraces half of that move. Well done, Jatinder. Well done, mate. Really, really nice. Really nice. Should we see if there's any type of trade that we can get? So we've got these highs that could get taken. That could be a nice trade. Maybe we can get into a break, retest, continuation trade now. I know obviously we went maybe retracement on that high. Wow, EU took that 200 EMA perfectly. Where is that 200 EMA? It's loading. Look at that, right on 200 EMA. It's not coming up. I don't know why. Don't know why that's not loading. There you go, right on the 200 EMA. Pound, I reckon we're going to get something very similar. Let's see if the next candle can give us an entry. Pretty boring session, to be fair. We haven't really caught anything, have we?
No. It's been a whole lot of waiting.
Indeed.
It's better than taking losses.
Well, I took a loss.
Well,
was it better than both of us taking losses.
Was it within your trading plan?
Oh, yes, it was in my trading plan. Fucking trading plan. Wish I had a trading plan.
This game.
Well, yeah, I don't think. I think it's already gone. All right, guys, that's it. It's 5 o'clock. Sky, thank you very much for joining us. Even though it was a nice, relaxing session. Obviously, for you, it's only just started, but for me, I'm going home. So.
Well, hopefully you've had a good day.
It's been, to be fair, it has been a very good day.
Good.
Slowly grinded back onto funded account, grinded back into a 1% profit.
Nice.
So that was a grind after I gave back a lot. So that was nice. Now I'm going to go home and relax.
There you go.
Yeah, man. All right, guys. See you later tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be here. I'm going to be here in London. We're going to go over what has gone on today. Talk about some of the different trade setups. And then also in New York. Maybe Sky will join us. It's up to him. But until then, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.